So we're going to be refreshing our memory how to estimate. So this is how we're going to estimate products using rounding. Now, what does the word product mean? Raise your hand if you remember. Allie?
Product means like the amount of something.
No. Alex?
Product means the answer to a multiplication.
Great. So we're going to be dealing with multiplication. So to estimate products of decimals, round each number. First, underline the digit to be rounded. Then look at the digit to the right of the place being rounded. Now, do you think I'm going to require that of all of you?
No.
Do you think it would be helpful for some of you?
Yes.
Yes. So if the digit is 4 or less, the underlined digit remains the same. If the digit is 5 or greater, you're going to go up, right? So if we look here at the example, I have 8.7. 7 means go up, so I'm changing it to 9. And then 2.8 means goes up, and we get 3. So 9 times 3 is 27.
Wait, what?
Easy.
9 times 3 is 27.
You said 7. You're going to add to 7. You're going to round it up to 9.
Yeah, 8.7 goes up to 9.
Oh!
Doing whole numbers.
You said like 7.
Can you stop because your hand was not even raised? Yes, Ava.
So you basically just round numbers and
Yeah.
Oh, it's so easy.
Okay, so 9.6. Are we going to leave at 9 or go up to 10? 10? 1.8. Are we going to leave it at 1 or go up to 2? 2. So our answer is what, guys? 20. Okay. 4.2. Where are we going to leave it at? 4. Because 2 means we're going to stay the same.
3. Next one.
The next one's 3.
3 and then it equals 12. It would be.
Okay. When they get big like this, do you see that? We're going to go to the nearest 10.
7.
So, because we want to be able to do it in our head. That's the whole reason we estimate. So we'll stay at 60 or go to 70? 70. And then 21.3. We'll stay at 20 or go to 30?
20.
So 70 times 20 would be
140.
140.
1,400. 1,070.
1,400.
Oh my God.
guys, because look. Because I know 7 times 2 is 14, but then we have 1, 2 zeros, so we have to have 2 zeros. Otherwise, you're going to go like this, right? We go 0, 0, 0, 0, 14. And then add your 2 zeros. Okay, I'm going to put one more problem right here.
Can I go from 2?
Please stop making noises and talking. Don't really do this right now.
We'll do it 5 minutes from now.
Okay, 94.89. Since it's such a large number, we are going to round into the nearest 10. So is it going to be 90 or 100? Cisco?
90.
90 because 4 means we go down. Then 3.11. Is it going to be 3 or 4, Shelby? 3.
What?
3.11.
270.
Oh. 270. It was 50.
Okay, 9 times 3 is 27. And then we add our 0. How many people think this is going to be an easy lesson? Okay. We're going to go to our math book now. And go to page 189. Okay. So, on number 1, we have 9.7 times 3.3. We're on page 189. 9.7. How many people think we're going to take it to 9? How many people think we're going to take it to 10? It's 10 because 7 means we're going up. 3.3. How many people say 3? How many people say 4? It is 3. So your answer is 30.
I'm doing this one on board.
Okay, we have 3.4. 3? You guys agree that's 3?
Yeah.
I need to start talking louder.
6.
3 times 6?
18.
7.5. What do you think about this one?
18.
Wait. Yeah, 18.
It's 18 because it's 5 or higher.
Well, let's think about it.
18 is 5 or higher.
Can we do 18 in our head very easily?
No.
No, so what's the number closest to that that we can do in our head? 20.
Why don't you do 18?
Why do you know what 18 is?
You know that off the top of your head? Did you have to do the work?
Yeah.
Exactly. Guys, we're estimating. So we want to be able to do it in our head. So we have 20 times what? 8. Because 4 says stay the same.
160.
Translate.
Because 2 times 8 is 16, then you add your 0. Ava, what are we going to do 44.8?
You're gonna change it into a 45, but you need to change it to a 50. That's something.
It's a 4 though, so 4 stays.
Say, oh, it's the.
So we're going to say 40. Because if we use regular estimating terms,
40
yeah,
times 5.
it would be 45. But the point of this is to do it in your head so you don't have to show work. So we're making it a 40 because it's under 45. Do you see how I'm talking and you shouldn't be? Okay. So we have 40 times 5, and we get, because 4 times 5 is 20, then we add the 0. Yes?
Like, can't you add 8 to 4 and make it 45 and then add it to 50?
Well, right now, since we're under the 45 mark, it's going to stay 40. Okay, 28.21. If we wanted to be technical, it'd be 28, right? But can you do that in your head very easily? No. So, Carter, what should we do? Uh-huh. 8.02 is going to be 8 or 9, Allie.
It would be 9. No,
8.
It's going to be 8,
Number
right?
5, not. Or 8.
And we get
240.
240. Because 3 times 8 is 24, then you add the 0. Is that how you're thinking of it? Much easier that way. 71.92.
70. You change the 71 into 7.
We're going to change it to 70. And what are we going to do with this 2.01?
You're gonna change it into a 2.
Okay, so we get
140.
140.
Almost like the one we.
We're going to take a look at this word problem too, so you get a word problem. On average, the U.S. produces 36.5 million tons of fruit each year. So, what are we going to round that to? 40 million, right? And then, about how much fruit does it produce in 2.25 years? So we're going to change 2.25 into
2.
2. So, and times 2, and we get 80. But what do we need to write after 80?
Million.
Million. That's all you have to do today, guys. Do we have any questions? Okay, as I pass out,
Hold on, I have a
hold on 1 second. I'm running out of time on this.
I have a question.
I said, hold on 1 second. You will be doing all 19 problems today.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what your worksheet is going to look like. Okay, on the first part, I'm going to do this one with you. So I'll leave it up on the board for you. 4.7 is going to change to
5.
5.2 is going to be.
5.
So we get a.
25.
That one's easy, right?
Yeah.
Remember, as you get into the double digits, you're going to round to the nearest 10, right?
Yes.
Then down here, we have a car moving at 35 miles per hour travels a distance of 51.3 feet each second. how far does the car travel in 7.1 seconds? So you're looking at this number and this number. 35 is just in there to freak you out. Number 17, the prices for a complete meal at a local restaurant average about $7.75 per person. About how much would a family of 6 expect to pay for a meal? Do you have to estimate 6 at all? No. Do you have to estimate that one? Yeah.
8.
We're going to do 8. So we have 8 times
6.
Don't tell me the answer. Someone did that.
Well, that was.
Okay, on these two, you're going to use estimation to determine whether each answer is reasonable. If the answer is reasonable, right, yes. If not right, no. Provide a reasonable estimate. So I'm going to show you 18 so you can do 19. 48.6. What would you get if you estimated that? 50? What about 6.7? 7. So we get what as our answer?
3.
So is 125 reasonable to that?
Yeah.
Are those reasonable? Are they close?
No.
No, so we will write no. If they're close, we'll write yes. That's all you have
My
to do.
grandma's 125, but she ain't 350.
Okay, Nolan. Okay, so you're doing all 19. When you are done, you're going to make sure your name and your number are on them and put it in the tray. You're working on these by yourself. If you need to use your notes, you can. Are there any questions? What's your question?
How does Xander do